guys, so I'm just doing a really quick video. I just wanted to touch on one of the apps that I mentioned in one of my recent videos. Put it in the cards up here if you want to check that out and want more detail on it. The video is called What's on My iPhone, and I show you apps on how I increase my social media engagement and also how I started to get brand deals as a small content creator or a micro influencer. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and tell you a little bit more about the app Intellifluence. I don't know how to say this. Intellifluence. I have to say that really slow to say it correctly, but this one here. To tell you guys that out of all those apps, like, this app definitely has helped the most with getting my name out there with different brands and starting to make money off of social media. It's helped me more on the financial side of social media and kind of getting my foot in there and kind of see what it's like to make social media kind of a living. And I would definitely recommend this brand if that's your goal, is to make some money and also make this content creator, social media, a career. In that video, I was still in the process of hearing back from the brands that I made the content for, but now that it's all gone through, I kind of want to touch on some things that I found really helpful with this app. So one of the brands were great. They responded super quick, and the whole process was done very well. One other brand that I worked for or did a campaign for didn't respond to my questions and kind of didn't have great communication. I did finish the campaign or the task that I was supposed to do, and then the brand is supposed to sign off on it saying that I did in fact complete the task or campaign, but they never did, and the deadline was coming up. So I was a little bit confused on how this app would know if I actually completed it or not. So I did email the help center, and whoever I talked to in the help center was super awesome. They answered within a few hours, and they gave me all the details saying there's a guarantee that I'll be paid even if the brand doesn't contact me or sign off on it directly. If it's there and the proof is there, the app will recognize that, and I will still get my money even if the brand doesn't sign off on it. So I thought that was great. So when the deadline came up, I did in fact receive that money in my app account, and I could see it. And then they also emailed me back, just kind of following up and saying like, hey, like, everything looks great, like the money should be in your account. And they were just like really good with helping me out and answering my questions. So that's one thing I wanted to say about this app, was that customer service has been great and amazing, and I've had no issues with this app itself. And then I also wanted to let you guys know that, so I showed the app on an iPhone, and you know, some brands and some apps that are on Apple don't always have the option for Android, but this app actually does have an Android option. I don't have an Android, so I don't know all the features or how to set it up exactly, but they do have an article talking all about the Android app, so I will put it in the description if you want to read up on that. Just wanted to let you know that even if you have an Android and you want to start making, you know, an income off of social media, and you want to become a content creator and you just don't know where to get started, this app is really good for making just a little bit of extra cash and kind of getting experience with how to work with brands. And they pay through PayPal, which is like super safe and easy. I think it's a really great app if you're a small content creator, a big content creator. Like, it's just, you can make a little extra money on the side of, you know, YouTube or Instagram brand deals. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and say that. So thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you aren't already. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you in my next video.